Welcome back to TCG Battles. I'm Rick, and today we're doing, by popular demand, round 2 of the Wafer cookies. This is log 7, which it does have the rainbow card, or not the rainbow card, the rainbow super ultra or ultra grand rare. The last one we opened up didn't have this rarity, so this one has one more rarity, but it's still the same amount of cards or stickers you end up getting. So let's see. So from what I did the math last time, you get about half of all of them except the bottom one. The bottom one you got pretty much 8 of the 10, and somehow I'm missing 1, maybe 2 of those, and that's the most you get out of them. So I have 18 of the 32. I don't think I can finish the set after opening up the last one. We just had so many duplicates. So let's get into the first one. All right, let's go ahead. Wish me some luck. We're starting off with an L. That's a normal one. All right, these are the most common. We should get about 8 of them. Let's take a quick look at the ones we do have. I forgot to show them off. So we're looking for the ultra grand rare of this one. This one's just a grand rare. But apparently it's one of the more expensive ones. So let's see. These are super rares, grand rare. That's a super rare still. I want to say the gold is rare. Yeah. And then Buggy, that's a cool one. That's a super grand rare. We got Nami as a rare. And then that's a grand rare. Rare. And then normals. It's one of my favorite right there. All right. Come on, Straw Hats. I'm gonna put you right there. Help me out, Straw Hats. And we're looking for the rainbow version of that bad boy. All right, let me know in the chat. Are you guys excited that I did this again? I had at least one person. Connis. Come on, Connis. Connis and her dad. All right, come on. Ah, that's all right. So we got the same secret as our last box. So no doubling up on or not getting this, both secrets. That's all right. That's all right. So let's go ahead. So you get at least one secret. You get about half of the higher hits. So if there's 2 secrets, you're going to get 1 per box. If there's 2 ultra grand rares, you'll get 1, you know. Oh. We got... Oh, I forget her name. And the sword dude. Alright, come on. Come on. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see the Straw Hat Crew. Please see the Straw Hat Crew. What? That's another secret. Huh? Alright, I don't know the hit rates of these guys. Look at that. It's Baby King and Young Kaido. That's pretty cool. I don't know. Let me know in the chat. Which secret do you prefer? Kaido or Luffy with Momo? Is that Momo in the back? Gear 5 Luffy or Young Kaido? That's awesome. That's awesome. Oh, does that mean we don't get a rainbow? If you get 2 secrets, you don't get a rainbow? Oh, come on. I want a rainbow. Rombo. Ultra grand rare. Oh man, why is the Chopper walking away over there? All right. Let me know in the chat, how did you do for pre-releases? I know 7 just came out, well, at least pre-releases. Let me know how you did in the tournaments. Did you get some awesome pulls? Let's see. And we got Hiyori, all right, waving some fans. All right. Let me know. Are you guys interested in me doing this? I get them for a decent price, so it's not like breaking the bank, and it is fun. I do prefer the ones that have cards in them, because there are some that have cards over stickers, and I would prefer cards, but you know, these are fun too. All right, come on, money, 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 money. Grand rare. Okay, okay. Yay! We got the Straw Hat Crew again. And you can grade these. I have seen a few PSA slabs up on eBay for sale. So they are absolutely gradable. And I'm probably going to send in a few now that I have a PSA account. So let's see if we can get a rainbow, please. Oh, we got a Rochi. Rare. All right. Oh, it has the fire dude. You know. All right, come on. Let's see it. Come on. Yeah. Oh, we got the Luffy Ultra Grand Rare Monkey D. Look at that. It's so cool. You can't even capture. That's awesome. All right, come on. Can we get both? Please? Can I get both of them? That would be crazy if we can get both of those. All right, come on. Oh. Hey, didn't we pull this one? Yep. Hey, that's not coup. We get... Oh, it is coup. We get doubles of certain ones. All right, come on. We got Nami. All right, let's see. How many do we got left? We're down to our last 6 packs. Let me just move these out of the way so I don't make a mess. All right. Whoo! So I have no clue about the hit rates. I thought you only got 1 secret because that's what we got out of the last one. Alright, let's see. Yo, super rare Luffy. Yeah, that is awesome. Definitely one we didn't have. Alright. Come on, let's see. Can we hit big with another ultra grand rare? Please, I'll be good. I promise. Grand rare. Okay. Ooh, Enel. That's a pretty dope Enel one. Come on. Let's see. So we've pulled 1, 2, grand rare. How many grand rares are there? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So one more grand rare. Alright, come on. We got a rare. Wiper. Alright, last 3. Come on. Can we get some money? Alright, come on. Rainbow. Oh no, it's this dude. Normal rarity. Alright, we're looking for at least... We should see at least one more grand rare. Oh, we got a rare. Man. Alright, come on. Last pack magic, please. Secret grand rare. Let's go. I forgot. So let's see how many secret grand rares there are. There, the gold ones, 4. Weak Momo. Alrighty. I'm pretty happy I got both secret. Really wish my ultra, was the Straw Hat Crew. But, can't win them all. I love the ones I got. Let me know in the chat which one's your favorite, and would you open some of these up if you found them at your local. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll catch you guys at the next one.